Good morning and welcome back to Old School Customs. So we're finally back on the 50 Shades of Grey mini bike. We got a new paint job on the frame. We switched the color up. We're trying to match that new gray color that's on the vehicles now, like a non-metallic gray paint. Jeep has one, a Toyota has one, Ford has one. This is as close to the color as I could find from like local paint. We had this bike all together. I kept throwing the chain. The Briggs & Stratton motor it runs, but it had issues, so we just went with the 79cc for reliability. We have the new front forks that are kind of a piece of shit, like $37 and free shipping. We'll see how that turns out, but they're really cheap. We're gonna go with the these Mongoose handlebars from a BMX because the motocross handlebars I had on there were too low, and it was like just on the brief ride I took, they were bumping my knees. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing put back together, and hopefully by the end of this episode we'll be taking it for a trial run. Let's get going. folks. That was the maiden voyage. I have to figure out a way to hook up the throttle because it doesn't have a throttle cable stop to pull it. So I'm gonna need a return spring and something here to stop my throttle cable, and my throttle cable could go through this little hole and pull it, but I need a stop, and this doesn't have an assembly for that. So I'll rig up some brake levers. I have a throttle. Watch for that on the next episode. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like, subscribe, comment down below. I try to return all comments. Have a good day.